Welcome back to Rich's Slot Car Room. Welcome to another Tyco Tuesday. And today we're going to do a Corvette, Stingray, Hawk, it's a wheelie vet. And it's on a Magnum chassis. And yeah, bring you guys around and we'll check her out. Not too bad, 290. There she is, Hawk with the decals, without, and there's Cobra with and without. And I have both with and I have the Cobra without. We're doing the Hawk with. And it's 35. Chrome blue Hawk. 8283, wheelie vet, 7081, it's a 4. Set came with separate stickers, so if I had the set one, it would be a 3. Which I do with the 37. It's a 3. Cobra. So yeah. The 4. There she is right there, number 35. Here's the sticker set that comes. You get all those little stickers, and you get the 2 Hawk, and the big Hawk for the hood, the big Cobra for the hood, the Cobra for the side. Yep. Got 95 out of it. 97. Let's put a little Earl on it. I don't like taking this thing apart. I really don't. So I'm going to put some oil on it from up top. It's a regular Magnum chassis that just doesn't have the front wheels. There's no front axle. These wheels here are part of the inner. Get 3 out of it. Yes, we did. We got 3. Yeah, there it is right there. Yeah, not too bad. Yeah, she's getting warmed up real nice. 305. Seven, 8, 308. There's the weight in the rear end. Champion bell, Union, decals, Hawk on the hood. Champion bell, Union. Pretty cool. I'm gonna put some Novus on this, and I'll take you guys over to the track. Alright, we got yep, she's a rolling. Oh yeah. Give her a little gas and she pops right up. Woo. Yeah, it goes all the way around there. Fill it up. Oh yeah, all the way around. Wow. Pretty cool. I don't know why they didn't make more of these. These things are pretty cool. I think like the Gotcha and Catch Me, they're having problems with the inside breaking on them. Need to make it out of harder plastic, but it could be an issue putting them in and taking them out. Guess they can make it so it doesn't come out. Just have to pop the chassis off of the rear axle. That inside piece hooks onto the rear axle. The hubs are actually have a gap in them, and the inside piece hooks right onto the axle. Snaps on. Yeah, hope you guys like that. Pretty cool car. Wheelie car. She shines up real nice. Excuse me. Yeah. That's the Hawk. It comes with the Cobra, which has Union hooker headers and Gabriel, whatever that is. But yeah, and Union hooker headers and Gabriel Cobra on the side. They come in a set, and they come separate. The ones that come in a set, like I said earlier, they come in a set. They come without the decals on them, which I have one over there. It's for sale, actually. And the ones that don't come in a set have the decals already on them. And that's the two that I have right there. They came with the decals already on. Yeah. You can see the front wheels and the inside piece is plastic, the black plastic inside. Hooks on in the rear end. So yeah, pretty cool car. I like it anyway. Hope you guys liked it too. Today's Monday, and you're watching this tomorrow, Tuesday morning. Yeah, I got lots of pit kits here, and I'll be building one of those Friday. Have a few cold snacks, and do some BSing. If you're interested in that, check it out Friday at 7:15 p.m. I'm usually on till 9:15, 9:30, 10, whatever. And yeah, appreciate if you guys will subscribe. If you haven't, I got 303 now, so I'm well over 300. Appreciate that a lot. Hit the thumbs up and leave me a comment. 7 words or more. Yeah, don't just put nice car. 7 words or more. Just tell me what you're thinking. And yeah, appreciate it. And thanks for coming in. And I'll catch you guys Friday. Later.